Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model vanity stool in 3D Max. First, I will draw a cylinder. I will make the radius 22, the height 40, cap segment 3, and here I need sides 16, and I will tell you why later on. Now I will add edit poly, and I need to round the corners. So I will select the top edge by double click, chamfer 2 cm. Now I will double click the lower loop, chamfer, but I want it here to be narrower. I'll give it only 1 cm. Now I will add turbo smooth. So this is the look. Now I want to make volume for the top polygons. So I will close turbo smooth and I will select the polygons by angle. Anything that less than 45 degree, it will be selected all together. But I want to make a shrink, so I will have only the flat polygons. Now I will close by angle and I need to move them in the z-axis. Check the offset toolbar for the amount, around ½ cm. Now I will shrink and move upward about ½ cm and then shrink, and this one 0.3. Now I will open turbo smooth. So this is the look. Here I need to do some stitching or groove, so I want this edge. So I will add edit poly above the turbo smooth and I will select it, and here I will make chamfer 0.3 and then extrude n minus 0.3 and the width 0.01, something very little. Now I will add on top of that turbo smooth. So this is the look of the pouf. Now I need to make the base. I will close turbo smooth, press F4, and I will select this edge by double click and then create shape. Choose the type smooth. Now I will select this new shape and I will make it enable in renderer, enable in viewport, and I will choose the type rectangular, the length 4 cm and the width 1. Now I will go to the front view and I will move it downward. And I will give it a different color. So this is the look of the pouf. Now I need to do this wooden part. So I will select the seat and then I will close these modifiers up to edit poly. Now I choose 16 segments, so I will have a segment exactly at 90 degree and 0 degree. Now I can choose one from this side and one from this side. Now I will deselect the top polygons and as well those. Here I will detach as a clone. And I need to increase the height. So I will select this top vertex. I want the total height to be 50, and this is almost 35. So I will give it 15 in the z-axis. Now I will add shell modifier, and I will make the inner amount 1 and the outer amount 1. And I will give it a chamfer modifier. Here the chamfer, I will make it 0.2. But also it gives a chamfer for this edges. So I will go down here and I will make the minimum angle. I will increase it to 50. So now I am chamfering only the corners. Now I will add turbo smooth. So that will curve this wood piece as well. Now I will deselect some polygons from the seat for the back seat. So I will go to polygons and now top view, and I will deselect up to here. I will go to Edit Geometry, Detach as a clone, and I will move them upward like this. So I will add shell modifier, and I will make the inner amount 3 and the outer 3 and the segments 2. So I have this middle loop. Here I will add turbo smooth, but as you can see, the corners are curving a lot according to the image. I need it to be straight from here, and from the profile it has soft curved corners. So I will close turbo smooth, and I will add edit poly. I will start to increase the edge loop at the top, at the bottom, and also here from the sides. So I will constrain my corners. First, I will select this edge by double click, chamfer. Also, I will select this edge and this edge, ring, connect. And now I will try again my turbo smooth. Now this looks good, but I need to curve it more from the top. So I will select this edge and I will give it more space downward. Also, I think that the back seat is bigger than this one. So I will select these vertex at the bottom and I will move them downward. Now I need to give some stitching for the sides and also here. I will close turbo smooth. So I will select these edges by double click. And now I will chamfer 0.3 and then extrude in the negative value minus 0.3 and the width 0.01. Also, I will give little volume for these sides, so I will close turbo smooth. I will select the same polygons by angle. Now I will move them in local coordinate system, okay, outward. I will open as well turbo smooth while using move so I can see the final result. Okay, this is enough. Now I need to make here some groove as well near the wood part like in the image. So I will close turbo smooth and I need to add one segment loop over here. So I will select this edge and this edge, ring, connect, chamfer with the same amount, and then this time I will choose the inner loop by double click and then extrude with the same amount. And now I will open turbo smooth. And this is the final look.